Do women suddenly lose interest when you talk to them? Today, I'll reveal the 5 deadly mistakes men make that secretly turn women off and how to fix them. Will you make it past mistake number 3? Talking to women is an art, but most men fail miserably. 90% of women will never give you a second chance if you make these mistakes. Here's what to avoid. Women hate men who make every conversation about themselves. Saying, "I'm so successful," or "my car is," screams narcissist. Fix it. Ask her questions. Say, "What do you think about this?" Touching her too soon or dropping sexual jokes triggers her, "He just wants sex" alarm. Women need trust. Instead of, "You're so hot," say, "You have amazing energy." Asking, "Do you like my shirt?" or "Was that wrong?" makes you look needy. Women love confidence. Swap it for, "I know you'll love this restaurant." If she says, "I'm emotional," and you reply, "Don't overreact," she'll ghost you. Instead say, "I get it. Your feelings make sense." Boom, instant connection. Women are bored of men who hide emotions. Saying men don't cry or "I can't look weak" makes you seem fake. Be real. "That movie got me emotional too." Just or she winner. Avoid these mistakes and women will love talking to you. Which mistake did you used to make? Comment below. And if you like this, check out my How to Be the Ideal Man guide. See you next week.